We are going to have a health insurance facility at the sub-county.
Tukayatunga erikikirija area emetamberere eya malwere yebakola mu health insurance.
It is on a voluntary basis.
Okubule gombora kandi ni yare yuhwamo.
Now, if you are to join it,
wamabya ewuliweringiramo.
But there cannot be real stability unless there is stability in our politics, and changing of leaders is a matter of routine and does not threaten the core pillars of state. The state continues functioning. And I think this business of treating people like animals, caning them, is incredible. People are not cattle there. Even cattle should not be caned, by the way. Should not be beaten. This is an archaic way of dealing with issues.